Charlie. Mommy has to clean this up. And don't tell me it's bullshit.
Bullshit.
I got recording. Here we go.
That's bullshit.
We want to record, right? Go to record. And press the camera, this little button thing.
Yeah.
And it says up here, it's supposed to record.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Chris.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Charlie, look at the camera. Say hi.
Bullshit.
Hi.
Say I'm making a pizza.
I
What
ate
the hell?
pizza.
Is that ham? Oh my god.
I'm such a ham.
Wow. Look at your face. Oh my god.
All right, we're going to put this on YouTube, Charlie. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say I'm a star.
I saw.
Bullshit.
I'm full of bullshit.
No more salt. Oh my god.
Now that's how you make a pizza.
If anybody's brave enough to eat this, we'll pay you like some amount of money.
Cool.
That whole thing is salt, and he just put a whole bunch of salt on that thing. So
Gotta have salt.
look at his hair. He's wiping his nose on his sleeve. I'm
Okay.
stepping on cheese.
All right, Charles. That's it.
Oh god.
Put the masterpiece on here.
See the bottom of my shoe.
Put it on.
Yeah.
Now. Ready? Put it in the oven. Okay, you're done. Go wash up.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Isn't that a beautiful pizza? By Charles Elmer
Very.
and Christopher Valentin.
See that?
Yeah. Very pretty, guys. All right, now get out of the kitchen so I can clean up both of you. You go get it there. Try to get out of the way.
I got my shoes up. I'm tracking cheese all over the place.
Try to get your clothes off. Try to get your... Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys made a mess. No, Charlie, you get in the bath anyway, hon. Don't worry. Okay, you gotta get a bath.
Well, I gotta give this kid a bath, so I will see you
Want Chris?
guys later.
Oh.
Peace.
You're going to go lucky. Yeah.